Ugh, I can't believe my boss give me all these works for do. It will take years until finish it.
Hey Catherine.
Not now, Dave. I am busy working.
What? No. You're not working. You're playing in the laptop.
Ugh, Dave. I am not playing. I use the laptop for work. Knowing that the man in this family doesn't work, because he acts too childish. Someone has to work.
Ugh, fine. But, can I ask you something?
Ugh. What is it? I hope it be something important, for disturbing my work.
So, I wanted to ask you if we can go to Brazil.
Dave, are you kidding me? You come here disturbing my work, asking me if we can go to Brazil?
Yes, Catherine, please, let's go to Brazil. I always want to go there.
Dave. I can't take us to Brazil. It's too expensive. I don't have much money for the flight tickets. And even I will not let. Because you are still grounded. Now can I go back to work, please?
No. I want to go to Brazil. Right now, now. Take me to the airport. I want to go to Brazil. GRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRR
I am your wife. And I deserve some more respect.
That's it. Catherine. If you don't take us to Brazil, I will throw a big tantrum.
If you dare throw a tantrum, then you will be so ground. Oh my goodness. How dare you throw a big tantrum in the living room? That is so it. I am carrying you to your room now.